Lovely evening here now. Been windy all day, a lot of rain, a lot of showers, but finally it's calmed down a little bit. So I've come out to show the difference. These agapanthus here look fine, nice and straight, stayed nice and true. These two here, as you can see, ended up on the side. So I'm going to stake these. First time I've staked agapanthus. I've not had to do it before, but the wind has been that bad. As you can see, it's really ended up on the side. So I shall attempt to stake them without breaking them. So first of all, let's get the camera set up. Right, there we go. Just get over here. Sorry about this. This is the first one. Get that just there if I can. Just get it. See if you can see that alright. Yeah, that looks fine. I'm using some of my own bamboo canes. In there. Wow, that's solid root ball. And then some of this wire from the pound shop. You've got cotton cloths probably, or a material, probably better for using than this wire, but this is what I've got, so this is what I'm using. In fact, I'm going to put another cane in, and I think I'll jam it in between the two canes so I get some support. Yep, put another cane in here on the other side. That's it. And then we'll try and wrap these round now. And there, okay, up here. That's it, let it just go back a little bit so there's a little bit play in it. I don't want it too tight, I don't want to damage them. I'll just double it up and not the best in the world, but it'll do. Then this one here, I should pull this one a little bit tight, that's it, yep, gotcha. Figure it off. Like I said, I've never had to do this before. I've never had winds like we've had the last few days, so live and learn. It's not the neatest, but it'll do, and it'll stop them falling over. At least I can see them now. Put these canes off just above it. A joint, these bamboo canes. This one. Get it outside. Gotcha. See how that looks like. So, yeah, that's a lot better. I actually see them now. Yeah, beautiful. I should have I normally paint these canes green, but I've not had a chance this year. Right, let's have a go at this one, shall we? See about doing this one. Hopefully we'll have the same results. Cane in there. I don't like that, it's solid that. I like that one there. Put it on here. These might not be long enough, but give it a try, see how it works. You know, like I said, they're normally straight up, they're normally so strong. It's been absolutely terrible this wind. If you've got any questions on anything in the garden, on begonias or anything like that, please just leave me a comment and I'll get straight back to you. Alright, so let's get this one round, shall we? That's it. Twist it around like so. Wow, what a difference that's made. Twist it over like that, make a loop. That's that one done. Yeah, quick job like this. At least I can see them now. This one, same again. Yeah, as I was saying, any questions about the pelargoniums I grow or my begonias on my pots, don't hesitate to ask them. I'd love to get back to you straight away. Answer your questions. Right, this one here. Get it out of the way. Nice one. That one done. a good one. Right, let's have a look, shall we? Pick up the rubbish. Let's just have a look further back now, see what we can see. As you can see, that's before and after. Oh, what a difference. Yeah, well worth doing. So yeah, that's how to stake your pelargoniums. If you've got any questions regarding anything I'm growing, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.